Hi guys, welcome to the House of Hydroponics. This is the last part on how to hack MAXIGRO and MAXIBLOOM from the brand General Hydroponics. Once you convert these units from grams per gallon to milligrams per gallon, this would be the amount of fertilizer that you would need to weight from each of these blends. And first off, I want to show you how a nutrient solution recipe looks like. This is a nutrient solution recipe for tomatoes. You have here, as always, macro and micronutrients. Just like here, we have macro, micro. And we have three different recipes because we have three different growth stages. In this case is tomato. You have here the concentrations in ppms. That's why we converted these units to ppms, which are milligrams per liter. And once we have, if we have a recipe like this in ppms, once we know the concentration for each element, then we can just take any common fertilizers that farmers use. For example, calcium nitrate, magnesium sulfate, and so on, right? And so we can prepare these formulas matching the element concentrations. That's about it. It's pretty simple. So I've developed here this calculator especially for this fertilizer. We have MAXIGRO, MAXIBLOOM. We have all the label data here, and when you type in the value, then you get automatically the real values for the phosphorus and potassium. And then we have here in this part we have the amount of fertilizers you need to weight and the ppms of the total nitrogen objective that the feed chart gives you. And once I do that, then I can get the formula. This total is a recipe, just like a tomato, like here. Then you get the recipe to prepare it, and then I have here this last chart where I consider here I can calculate the theoretical EC, electric conductivity, so I know also if I'm matching the formula, because they give you here the concentration. You have this EC range which is between 1.9 and 2.3. They give you this range because they don't know the water, the quality of the water that you're using. But in this case, this chart only considers the salts, like if you were using completely pure water without any salts. But you can calculate this here, and then if you know the amount of the value of your EC, then you can just type it in. Let's say it's like around, in my house I have like 0.8, and then once you get the result, then it adds the theoretical EC plus the water, and then you have the total here, which is really cool. So that's my tutorial, and I am developing this in an ebook. If you want to get it, you will get also this chart. Of course, I would have to translate it in English so you understand it. So I hope you like it, and see you in my next videos.